Hi angels, hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to do a video on my Dooney Bourke Zip Satchel. I also wanted to talk about my experience at the Dooney Bourke outlet. So if you watch my channel, you know that recently I made a trip to the Dooney Bourke outlet. And while I was there, to my surprise, they had Dooney Bourke sample bags. So they had some of the Dooney Bourke sample handbags, which they don't always have at the outlet. So if you want to hear more about my experience at the Dooney Bourke outlet, stick with me, hit like and subscribe. So let's go ahead, let's get started talking about this lovely bag. So like I stated, I was at the Dooney Bourke outlet in my area, and they had several sample bags there. I'll try to go ahead and put up photos, pop-up photos of some of the other bags that they had while I was there for my lovely trip to the outlet. So yeah, you guys, first of all, I love going to the outlet. It's a nice drive from my house. It's a good, maybe hour and 20 minutes from my house to the outlet. So it's always a really, really good drive. And, you know, when you go to the outlet or go shopping, you know, if you have a handbag friend with you, it just makes that time pass so much more fun and faster for the drive there. And I like being in the car and listening to the music. And plus, I know that when I get there, I'm going to be seeing a lot of lovely handbags that I'm going to fall in love with. So this time around, I went there and I did basically a shopping haul, you guys. So I've been sharing some of the bags, some of the handbags on my channel, and I'll continue to talk about them in a couple of weeks to come on my channel. So stay with me for the bag reveals that I picked up while at the outlet, the premium outlet, and some of them were Coach handbags and some of them were lovely Dooney Bourke handbags. So while I was there also, I was happy to go ahead and pick up my first piece from the Art Deco line. And this line has just been all the craze, you girls. I've enjoyed seeing so many of you. I've enjoyed seeing so many of your channels and the pieces that you've picked up from this lovely Art Deco line. I know a lot of you girls picked up lovely pieces from this Art Deco line. So this is my first piece from the line. And this is actually they're calling this a wristlet because it does come with an attachment wristlet strap. And initially I was just calling it a wallet, but they actually are referring to this piece as a wristlet. And I love the pattern of the Art Deco with the star and just all those lovely neon colors. Who could resist that? So that piece came in this lovely box and she packaged it so nicely for me. And then, as I stated, there were so many Dooney Bourke sample handbags. So they had a lot of crossbody bags, drawstring bucket bags. They even had different types of leather that were on the sample bags. So I'm a fan and a lover of the Zip Satchel. So when I saw this lovely beauty in this lovely color, I had to go ahead and pick her up, you guys. I just thought she was so pretty. So also I want to go ahead and share with you girls some more of the items that I picked up, as well as just how I'm going to be matching and wearing this lovely bag in my collection. So here are a few more of the pieces from my collection that I wanted to match this Zip Satchel up with. So of course I'm going to be carrying her with the Art Deco wallet, Art Deco wristlet that I picked up while at the outlet. My Zip Satchel is in a lovely color Dandelion, and I have this small coin case in the color Dandelion pebble leather as well that will match my Zip Satchel just perfectly. And then I also have a large slim wristlet in the color lemon. So you can see it's a little lighter color yellow than the Zip Satchel and the coin case, which is in the lovely color Dandelion. But hey, all the yellows go together, and I think that'll look so cute matched up together. And of course, I always like, for some reason, I always like matching up my Dooney Bourke pieces with my vintage Dooney Bourke coin case. I think that looks good with any Dooney Bourke handbag. So these are some of the pieces that I picked up from the outlet while I was there. And like I said, they had the sample sale, they had the Art Deco bags. They also had a lot of bags from the Plumes line. And you guys, I have to admit that I fell in love with the Plumes line while I was there. The Plumes line has so many different beautiful colors. It's just so beautiful with all the colors, all the hues like purples and blues and pinks. So I fell in love with a lot of the Plumes bags while I was at the outlet, but I only ended up picking up a few items, and I picked up a Barlow, I picked up a couple of Barlows, as well as Florentine satchels in different sizes, and we'll be getting into those here on my channel. So today I just wanted to thank you girls for joining me for the items that I picked up while I was at the outlet, and I hope you girls enjoyed my video and hanging out with me today. And please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my videos on my channel for more Dooney Bourke handbags. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Stick with me for more videos. I love you guys. I'll see you soon in my next video.